So Dr. Matt Griswold, Dr. John Owens at 918 Chiropractic, want to talk to you a little bit about sleep, something super important on how you recreate, regenerate. We spend half of our life doing it, and so often we see people in the office asking us questions about sleep apnea.
So there's two types of sleep apnea. There's obstructive sleep apnea and central sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea is the most common, and that's what we deal with in our office. So oftentimes the way it's obstructed, it has a lot to do with the curve in your neck. So if you start to lose that curve in your neck, then it's gonna start to affect all the soft tissues. It can close down your airway, and then you aren't able to breathe while you're sleeping.
Bigger issues than that is without having the sleep, it messes with your circadian rhythms. Those are the rhythms that are natural and normal in your body, so you can get down into that REM sleep and feel rested. And we get great results with patients with sleep. We do a full-wave motion study, which is a little bit different than everybody else in the state of Oklahoma. We do a little bit different x-ray system that gives us better information as to what the curve is and what is that functional pattern of how you're sleeping. Not only do we see patients in the office for sleep apnea, we also see wives that are complaining about their husband's snoring, or vice versa. The spouse is, someone's complaining about the snoring. A huge issue. What we see is that reverse curve in the neck, or that down forward posture, actually closes off some of the epiglottis so that when they do take a breath in, it makes that guttural noise. We've seen great success with changing the curvature of the neck and the effect therewith of the snoring.